Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Yesterday, a customer brought in this Midea induction cooker with a strange symptom. A loud popping and sparking sound coming from inside as soon as it's plugged in. After opening it up, I found the culprit: a loose, desoldered pin on the filter inductor coil. Interestingly, this board looks very clean, which means it wasn't dust or grease. This kind of fault often happens when users move the cooker while it's still hot or handle it too roughly. In this video, I'll show you how to clean the carbonized areas, prep the pins, and properly resolder them for a permanent fix. Let's get started.